Hello again, everyone. It's Corey here. Today we're going to be replacing the hatch struts on my VW Golf TDI. The first thing you want to do is open the hatch, and if you look at the strut here, there are two clips. There's one on the bottom. Right here you have to get a screwdriver into there, pry that off, and the same with the one on the top right here. So get a screwdriver and do that. Now you'll need to support this hatch because it'll want to fall. So get yourself a broom handle or something like that, or if you have a helping hand, another person to hold the hatch up while you do this. It's a fairly easy task. Alright, this is what I used as my hatch prop, a shovel. You can laugh all you want, but it works. Put the handle up in here where the grab handle is. So they're all sitting there nice. And I just put a rag down because my shovel's a little dirty. Now to remove the strut, get yourself a flathead screwdriver. And you're going to want to stick this underneath this metal clamp here. And slowly pry this piece up and away. You see it's slotted on the side here. So you can slowly work this out. Okay, there we go. Now that will pop right out of there. So go ahead and make sure your hatch is secure. And put your hand behind here, pop right out. So now my hatch is resting on the shovel, and it's secure, so it's not going anywhere. Now I'll do the same thing down here, and this thing can be removed. Okay, now for the last part of this, stick your screwdriver in, same thing. There we go. And it's out. Perfect. Now here are the new struts I purchased. I got them from these guys. They have a lot of good products for your diesels. Your Volkswagens, they don't have to be diesel, but I'm going to go ahead and install these now. They simply just push on those pivot balls. Okay, we'll take this end and just push it right on this part here. And for the last piece up top. Okay, for the other end here you might have to spin this either way to get it on here, but once you get it lined up, you have to lift the hatch up slowly, just push, snap in. So we have one side complete, on to the other side. Okay, I just wanted to point out, move your shovel or broom handle or whatever you use to support over to the other side that you'll be working on. Now we can go ahead and remove this. Okay, before I install this last strut, I want to show you guys the part number. Here's the new one. It's the part number 1J6827550B. And here's the old one, 1J6827550. Now it does not have the B on the end. I don't know what that means. But this is original, it looks like, from Germany. And this one here, I have no idea who makes it. Okay, one last clip here. Here we go. I'm going to remove my shovel. Okay, everything looks good. Let's try it here. Okay. He never did that. Well, at least it won't fall on my head. Yeah, those old struts were pretty worn out. It would stay up on its own, but it wouldn't if I put it in the middle here like this and left go. It would stay there. This one just flies right up. So that's it. That was another job well done. So hopefully you guys don't have any issues. Feel free to comment, subscribe. Thank you guys.